Good morning, everyone. We are in Villard, Ohio, somewhere on a farm. That's the name of it right there. Picking up produce. First time doing produce. Kind of excited, nervous at the same time, because I heard a lot of stuff can go wrong. But hey, I think it should be okay. Checked in there when I got here this morning. The guy said your load's not ready. He's looking at me, smiling, kind of like a hyena, saying it's not ready. I'm like, how long before it's gonna be ready? He's like, I don't know, maybe noon. Still smiling like hyena, which makes me not trust him. So he said, come back at 9 a.m. whenever some other dude comes and check with him. So we'll see what they say. I don't mind waiting, you know. I really don't, because I'm gonna go to sleep. And, whoa, by the way, this load has 5 drops. Louisville, Kentucky, Evansville, Indiana, 2 drops in St. Louis, Missouri, 1 drop in Kansas City, Missouri. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. Not, but hey, the money is freaking good, man. It is freaking excellent, bro. So why not? I did want to get it picked up as early as possible because Evansville, Indiana is open till 5 p.m. and I could have delivered that. Not Evansville, Indiana, Louisville. Louisville is open till 5 p.m. Could have delivered there and just went over to Evansville, try to deliver that. I'm going to try, I don't know what time I'm going to get loaded here, but I'm going to try to deliver all of them early. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Looks like they have a variety of products here. I've seen some cucumbers, zucchinis. Looks like watermelons as well. So yeah, this place is huge. Whenever you look at it from a map, from on Google Maps, I mean, it is gigantic, man. So we might fly a bird once they start unloading it. Loading it. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna go fix me some eggs. Haven't had any cigarettes, no Red Bull, and I don't know. I think today I'm gonna get some sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds will help me keep my mind off cigarettes, that's for sure. And all you need is 1 week to break a habit. And yeah, so I think we're doing pretty good. 4 eggs, and you know it, cauliflower and water. Hells yeah, buddy. We can do this, man. We can do this. Alright, we finally got it back in. Had to go in there like a few times. It's not because they are rude or anything, it's just that's how they operate. You know, and this load has 5 stops and they don't know where all the stuff is going. They think it all is going to one place. And then broker had to call them, let them know in which order to load it, because there's gonna be 5 different products on here. He gave me this pepper. It's freaking delicious, man. I'm gonna chop it up tonight and cook it with chicken. All right, smells so good in there. Smells like cilantro. The whole thing, the whole building inside smells like cilantro. I love it. Still got the mark on my hand from the IV. All right, let's slide these tandems back, get the paperwork all filled out, and we can get going. Unfortunately, we're not gonna make it to Louisville in time before they close, so it'll be tomorrow, 5 a.m. Well, overall, very pleasant experience at that farm right there. Very, very pleasant experience. I've been there for a minute, but I don't really care because I was sleeping the whole time, my friend. And I needed this sleep. I really did. This road right here is US 224, and we are trucking along west. In 5 miles, we're gonna get on Ohio State Road 67 west until we get to US 30. Then we're gonna take US 30 west until we get to Interstate 75, just north of Lima, Ohio. And then we're gonna take that down to Cincinnati. Cincinnati, my friend. Not gonna make it for our first delivery here in Louisville, but they do open at 5 a.m., so that's good. And I still don't know how much everybody's getting, and what is everybody getting, because we have different products on here. I don't have bill of lading. I just have one bill of lading with some dude's name in Cincinnati. I don't know what the hell that is. And yeah, the broker is supposed to be sending bills of lading with stuff that everybody's supposed to be getting and how much. And I'm gonna have to print it off, but he said he's gonna throw in another $50. I don't really care about that $50. Even if he doesn't give me that $50, this load is freaking awesome, man. I know it has 5 stops, but it pays very freaking good. And yeah, so I might not even take that $50. I might just say, buddy, you don't have to give me that $50. It's totally fine. You can keep it. That way I can get into his good graces, you know. And next time that I'm over here, he's gonna remember me. He's gonna be like, oh, I remember that stupid guy that didn't want to take $50 from you. No, I'm just messing around. Sycamore, Ohio. I am almost 100% sure that's how you pronounce that shit. But I don't know, man. I don't freaking know, bro.
In 800 feet, turn right onto West Seville Avenue.
Yes, ma'am. In 800 feet. He's taking us right over towards that revenue collector.
Turn right onto West Seville Avenue.
Ooh, gas station. Can I pull in here? Yeah, I'm gonna pull in here. Give me some sunflower seeds.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Ohio.
Mickey Mart. Oh, baby. Alrighty. 2 Gatorades. Oh shit, I hope. Oh, damn, they're not diet. Ah, fucking hell, it's okay. Who cares? Fuck it. Anyway, 2 Gatorades, 2 of those sunflower seed things, and yeah, let's get going, buddy. Alright, let's roll out. Let's roll out, buddy. Come on. I don't know why I had to grunt right there, but hey, it happens sometimes. Come on. All right, let's go. Our heroes, thank you for your service, guys. Right over here on the left, you have a bunch of, hopefully they're not dead, but hells yeah. Sycamore, Ohio. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, bro, calm down. Okay, damn. That was close. I left my GPS lady in my pocket. And, yeah, almost missed this turn. Thank you, GPS lady, for being loud enough for me to hear you from my pocket. Thank you very much. I think we'll make a few more stops somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Because we have plenty of time. Get there to Louisville before dark. And shut her down, buddy. Lock the doors. Put seat belts around our door handles like these rookie assholes that are trying to get people killed with that fucking trick. Don't do that. Do not wrap your seatbelt around your door handle while you're sleeping. It is dangerous. Okay? If you have to run out in the middle of night, you have seconds to spare. You have to run out of your truck. You're not gonna be able to run out, buddy. You're gonna be dead. Because you wake up, you're disoriented, you don't know what you're doing, you're trying to open door handle, but your dumbass saw a stupid ass video from another dumbass on TikTok, and you know who you are, that baby dumbass with car seat, Alex Nino, and one of them, what is this, SPS trucking with some that bold motherfucker with blue Cascadia that promote this kind of dangerous behavior. Don't be doing that shit, man. That's freaking dangerous. I'm telling you, man. I've been driving for 18 and a half years and I've never done that, man. I know a lot of people that have been driving longer than me and have never used the seatbelt to put it around. How stupid is that, bro? Just lock your doors and go to sleep. Nobody's gonna do anything to you. Okay? If somebody wants to break into your truck, they just gonna break that window and they are inside and there's nothing that you can do about it, you know. So just calm yourself down, you know, and relax, my friend. Don't put seatbelt around door handle. That's all I can say. But yeah, don't be taking no advice from a guy that uses freaking car seat to drive, or booster seat, whatever it's called. Get the fuck out of here, man. Freaking asshole. If a person wants to break into your truck while you are sleeping, they're gonna do two things. They're gonna break your window, which you're gonna hear. It doesn't matter if you put a stupid seatbelt around your door handle or not. You're still gonna be able to hear window breaking. Or the other way, they're gonna have to use a crowbar to get in here. And you're gonna hear a crowbar as well. It doesn't matter if you have that seatbelt on or not. Oh, but it'll give me a few seconds to get ready. Few seconds to get ready for what? You should go to sleep ready for stuff like that. Put a big ass knife right over here next to you, buddy. Get one of them giant, like, you know, what do they call it, like that lumberjack axes. Put it on your bed. Somebody comes in here, just ram it down their freaking brain, man. You know, I have like 6 of those freaking axes right here, bro. I'm ready to chop motherfuckers up. Chop, chop, bitch. Yes, sir. So don't be falling for that stuff, guys. Man, this truck is super dirty. It needs a wash really bad. Oh man, but I'm not gonna wash it because I don't want to spend $90. We'll just do it when we get home. Well, it's $84, $85, you know, but round it up to 90. Alrighty, here we are, getting on a US 30, rolling westbound, Upper Sandusky, Ohio, right here. We are on Interstate 75, rolling south. We're just north of Lima, Ohio. We sure are. built cab over. You don't see those every day. Oh, 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 what do we have here? Old Glory on the right. Hello, my good friend. Hello. Sydney, Versailles. I don't know where we are right now. We are 91 miles north of Cincinnati. So yeah, we are trucking along through Sydney, Ohio on Interstate 75. Guy's tire blew out. Well, he's a company driver, so I don't blame him. But still, even when I was company driver, I would have driven down to Love's truck stop, which is right down here, this exit 90, and have them fix it there instead of me sitting here and having to cost my company shitload of money, bro. But no, if you're a company driver, don't do that. Because if you get caught, company's not gonna care. They're gonna fire you if you get ticketed. But if you're owner operator, hell yeah, buddy, step on it. Go down here, get your stuff fixed. Don't wait for somebody to fix it on the side of the road and charge you 6 times as much. You see it right there? There's a shop. They have like 1, 2, 3 bays, and they have like a truck wash over here. 2 bays for truck wash and speed coat. I don't know what that's about. I heard that truck wash is like very shitty, so I'm definitely not gonna try it out. If you wanna be successful owner operator or independent operator, you're gonna have to do some stuff that are against the rules and regulations, my friend, like drive 138 miles with blown out trailer tires. Why not? It's better than calling somebody to come out 100 miles and change your freaking tire on the side of the road and charge you like $800 or something, you know. Especially if you have a spare tire. If you have a spare tire, hell no, man. We are trucking along to our next shop and getting their shit fixed there. Ain't nobody ripping us off over here on the side of the road. Find a different route. You don't have to go on the interstate. You can go on some state roads, you know, until you get to a place that can fix you up, man. A revenue collector right over here on the side of the frickin' interstate. One of these days, cocksucker, one of these days, you're gonna have a semi-truck rammed up your fucking ass, bro. Fucking dumbass. Why not pull him over right here on the frickin', you know, exit ramp? Why not do that? Freaking cocksucker. I hate these guys, man. I don't hate all the cops. I just want to make that clear, man. I love cops, but I hate the ones that bother hard-working truck drivers. Those are the ones that I hate. Serve and protect. Those are the cops that I love. Steal and collect. Those are the cops that I hate. Hell yeah, that shit rhymes, man. How awesome. We are coming up on Dayton, Ohio. All right. We're about to drive under Interstate 70. We sure are, my friend. Man, I remember when Ohio was doing this intersection right here and all these roads. And Ohio, you did an excellent freaking job, man. You really did. I just can't wait to see one day, hopefully one day before I retire or before I die, I'll be able to see interstates in Indiana as nice as this. But I don't think that will ever happen, man. I really don't. That's why I never liked Vice President Mike Pence, that white-haired cocksucker looking like freaking sheep. I never liked that motherfucker because he was the governor of Indiana and he never did anything about the roads. So he's just as bad as Pete Buttigieg, in my opinion, if not worse. Because Pete Buttigieg was not a governor, he was just mayor of South Bend, Indiana. But Mike Pence, a sheep-looking cocksucker, he was the governor of the entire state, and the roads were very shitty. All right, Dayton, Ohio. I think we're gonna stop down here somewhere south of Dayton before we get to Cincinnati. Get these bills of lading printed off that the broker sent us. And yeah, take a little break, wait for traffic to go by right there in Cincinnati, and then start trucking again. I like this load, man. It's supposed to be like, it was supposed to be like 42,000 pounds, but I don't think there was even 30,000 pounds on it, to be honest with you. But I can just feel it. When you've driven a truck for so long yourself, you know, almost, you can, I'm not gonna say always, but a lot of times you can tell how heavy the truck is, how heavy the load is, based on the way that the truck moves. So, and I can tell you that this load is not even 30,000 pounds right here. Based on my observation and expert opinion, which we have established that my opinions are facts as well. So. Hello? There's one more of them cocksuckers right here, stealing money on the side of the road, right there. There he is. One of these days, jackass. One of these days. And those are not state troopers. They are motor carrier inspectors. So we are still trucking. Didn't stop to get the bills of lading printed because the broker called me and said to go on ahead to try and deliver this. He said they're gonna wait for you. Well, I told him, you know, I'll be there around like maybe 6:30 or 7. I can't make it there by 6 because I'm about to run up here in Cincinnati in this big ass traffic jam, and also I still gotta stop and print these bills of lading. So I called the lady just to verify, and she said, yeah, I could wait by 6, but I can't wait past 6. I was like, then I guess we'll see you tomorrow at 5 a.m. Oh, freaking hell, man. Village of Evandale. Evandale? I don't freaking know, man. All I know is that was a pretty sign. And the traffic is coming right up. And here it is. Right here. 4 ways on, so one of these idiots don't slam in the back of my reefer. That's why the traffic jam. So we better move over. Left lane end. We get it, buddy. Your engine brake sounds okay. Oh, very nice, cool church over here. Very old looking. There's no name on it, so I don't know what it's called. And we're gonna be here for about 5 or 10 minutes in this slowdown. Let's get our four-ways turned on, because we don't want no problems from behind. You know what I'm saying? All right. Wow, I kind of forgot how big Cincinnati is. The huge ass buildings over there, man, downtown. Jesse, Chicha. Stupid fucking assholes, man. Come on. Yeah, not today, motherfucker. That other jackass is letting him go. Fucking assholes, man. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Some kind of stadium over here. Is it Cincinnati Bengals? Yes, I knew it. All right. I usually don't know all these sports things, you know, but I saw a big ass letter B and I put 2 and 2 together and I was like, yep. I'm so proud of myself, man. Ohio River. We are entering into Kentucky right now. But that wasn't too bad. It really wasn't. there's gonna be some traffic jam coming up ahead, because I remember there's a big ass hill going up this way, or down this way, going up the hill. Trucks use 2 right lanes. Oh, here comes that big ass hill. No trucks in left 2 lanes. Here in about 15 miles down here in Volta, Kentucky, we're gonna have a revenue collection center. That today, all day, it was showing that it was closed, but right now it says that it's open. And there's one of them in there trying to steal our money. He's not a state trooper, nothing. He's just a scale master. But that's a good news, because it means that we can run this. Kentucky. Welcome to Florence, y'all. Revenue collection center 3/4 of a mile ahead. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's open. There's a sign right there. Free pass. Free pass. Green light. Thank you, Kentucky. Welcome to Kentucky, Kentucky. Kentucky Fried Chicken. All right. I wonder how come all of these suckers have to pull in and I get a freaking green light, man. Hey, I know why. Because these people know that I am a VIP coming through, and they're like, clear the way for this guy. Clear the way. There's nothing wrong with this truck. We cannot steal money from him. So just let him roll on by. Give him green light. Freaking wish. So I called Love's Truck Stop just up ahead to ask how much they charge for copies if I can email the stuff to them. $2 a page. $2 a freaking page, man. I called Pilot about 30 miles up ahead. The young lady answered and said $2.12. And I was like, dang, you guys use gold ink or something? She started laughing, you know. I thought it was pretty funny. At $2.12 fucking cents for a copy of the paper, bro. Like what? And then this fucking bitch, what's the lady's name? Teresa something 705. Not the Teresa from Arkansas. She's telling me you stole shower time. Of course I did, you stupid fucking idiot. Look at these prices. Why don't you call Loves or like Pilot and say, hey, why are you stealing so much money from drivers? Why are you charging them $2 at Loves and $2.12 for one copy of fucking paper at Pilot Flying J? Come on, bro. Come on, man. It's fucking bullshit. That's what it is. I'm gonna go rob these motherfuckers down here and say, give me all your money, you bitch. I hope somebody robs them, man. I really do. I always tell myself, if I saw somebody trying to rob a gas station or somebody or something, I would step in, you know. I would never do that, man. Now that I think about it, why would I put my life on the line for stupid ass truck stop that steals money from us all the time? And why would I put that other person's life on the line? Because you never know. They might kill me or I might end up killing them. You know, depending on what's going on. Why would I do that? I would never do that. No, I'm not getting involved. Only way that I would get involved is if somebody was about to get hurt. That's it. Even then, I might not even step in then. If maybe I just don't like the way a person looks, you know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe they're wearing like green shirt and I don't like green color. So I just say, okay, go ahead, kill him. No, man, I wouldn't do that. I'm just messing around. I like green color. Every color is my favorite color. Pretty much. All right, let's stop here. Oh, there's the revenue collector sitting up there on top of the bridge. I see you, cocksucker. I see you. Trying to get people for speeding. I see you there, buddy. So let's stop here at Love's. Get these copies. It'll be like 5 pages, $10. Or actually, I might just get 1 page for the place where we're going down here. And then ask them in the morning if they could print the rest of the stuff for us. Hey, you guys have email?
Yes.
And
you can send this right here.
okay. And how much are the copies again?
They're $2 for the first page, and every copy is 25 cents after that.
Oh, okay. I was under the impression that every page was $2.
No.
It's not.
If they're all the same, and you get copies of them, they're 25 cents. If they're different ones, then they are $2 a piece. So if you only send in one and need multiple copies of that one, it'd be $2 for the first one, and then 25 cents after that. If you got like 6 different ones, then it's $2 each page. Yes. Am I making sense? I'm not too. I'm not too
No.
sure.
This is what I have. So 5 pages.
5 pages. Are they? So it would be $2 for each page then. If you only had the one and needed multiple copies of that one, then it would be $2 and then 25 cents for each copy. But since you got 5 pages, then it would be $2 per page. Does it make sense?
Yeah. What kind of ink is it? Is it made out of gold or something?
I don't know. But I understand totally. Yeah, that's. I was confused.
Is that for like a fax or an email or a fax?
For email, but it's
It depends on where you go, how much it is. Some of them are 25 cents a piece.
Yeah,
Well-
I can talk to my manager and see if we can do it at the 25 cents per one.
yeah. I mean,
I'm not too sure, but I can get her to come down here as soon as I take care of her.
I have an email that needs to be printed.
Okay.
what if I bring my own paper?
Right.
Is it cheaper there?
I mean, you can buy a whole ream of paper for what they charge for.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. But I'm not mad at these guys because they don't have
it's
anything
just
to do with it.
frustrating.
Yeah.
It just depends on, but I'm serious about it. It depends on what levels you're at, how much
Yeah.
they charge. It really does.
Okay, I sent it. I emailed it. I'm gonna go use the restroom while you guys print that off.
Okay,
so.
all right. Yeah, sometimes it takes a few minutes before it comes through. So
Okay, all right.
you've got plenty of time.
All right, thank you.
My name.
And now what is going to happen?
25 cents? Hell yeah, my
Okay,
man.
I'm making an executive decision on
Thank you very much.
it.
All right, well, all you gotta do is talk to people sometimes, be friendly, and you can get it your way. He didn't have to do this for me, but he did. So thank you, buddy. Much, much appreciated. Alright, let's get out of here. Yes, I'm blocking the pump. So what? I don't give a shit. I'm gonna be the biggest dick from now on you have ever seen, man. I'm telling you. Okay, fifth feels fine. Alright, let's head out. And that revenue collector is still there. Apparently, everybody's using Google Maps, and they can tell that he's there. So you are just wasting your time, buddy. Why don't you go do some real police work? Arrest some real criminals. Kentucky River. That's what this bridge is for. "46 miles to Louisville. 46 miles to our destination, exactly." Okay. We're gonna go there, shut her down, and go to sleep. I'll take some sleeping pills and catch up on some much needed sleep, my friend. I filled up Miss Jenny last night, and she only ran for about, I don't know, 5 hours, something like that. And I don't know, I'm gonna fill it up again down here. We're gonna stop at Violet and get Miss Jenny filled up all the way. I just don't want to run out of gasoline in the middle of the night, and it's like 91 degrees right now. So if you have 10 pages that are all different, Loves wants to charge you $2 for each page. But if you have one page right there and you come and say, let me make 10 copies of this, they only want to charge you $2 for the first page, and then every other page after that will be 25 cents. What the fuck, bro? Does that make any sense? And not just Loves, every other major truck stop. Like, I was charged like 10 freaking cents a page in what is it? Oh man, I can't remember. At Jasper's, right there in Kingdom City, where that one dude was pissing at the pump. 10 cents a page. That's how it should be, man. Come on. I don't know, man. I don't freaking know. Frontera Food Service, Louisville, Kentucky. We made it here. But unfortunately, everybody's gone home. So we're just gonna leave the truck like it is. And somebody's gonna probably wake us up when they get here at 5 a.m. So, yeah. I don't know how safe this area is, but I don't really give a damn. I really don't. But I pity the fool, brother. I pity the fool. All right, Miss Jenny is running. Let's go to sleep. Everybody, have a good night. And I will see all of you tomorrow morning. All right, take it easy. Get it done, buddy. I'll probably think of something tonight to talk about in the middle of the night, but we'll see. That's enough for you, Miss Jenny. Good morning, everyone. Let's go check in over here. Hey. Oh, he said to break the seal and open the door. So that is what we're gonna do. Smells so good in there. Alrighty, we are done here. I almost gave him a pallet of freaking cucumbers because my stupid ass can't count. But luckily for me, can do it is honest. But because the cucumbers are stacked so short, they put them all the way in the back. And I was like, and I assumed it was his because it was all the way in the back, but apparently not. So thank you, my friend. And thank all of you for watching. It is much, much appreciated. We're gonna cut this video here and pick it up later on or right where we leave for the next part. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Please stay safe out there.